Welcome! I'm Jody McCraney-Ruscio from Glass with a Past, and I'm here at Curious Mondo today to tell you about an exciting new class. This is the Fancy Jewelry class. We are going to take our glass jewelry and kick it up a huge notch, and I'm so excited to tell you about what we're doing. So I brought a few things to show you. We are going to cover a wide variety of glass beads. You can see we have a huge selection here, but then we're going to also talk about all the different ways that we can use these beads. We're going to do lentil bead molds, which are a new bead mold for us. We haven't covered those in a class before. We're going to talk about findings. We're going to talk about tools. We're going to talk about leather, new things we can do with leather. In addition, building on the things we did last time with leather, because they were pretty cool too. We're going to talk about hair jewelry. We're going to talk about bridal jewelry. And if time permits, which I'm sure that it will, we're going to talk about how to price your jewelry if you sell, which is a great thing to know. Now, one of the really exciting things about this class in particular, for the first time, I will be demonstrating every design, every technique, concurrently using recycled glass, for example, bottle glass, window glass, glass plates, things like that. And we will also be doing the same technique in refusible art glass, which is a new thing. So this will definitely broaden our horizons a little bit and bring a lot more to the mix. I'm super excited. Sign up right now so that you can get a seat, because this is just right around the corner. And I will see you there. Thanks.